The OnePlus 11 and the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 have officially launched in India. This and more in today's episode. Hello and welcome to a fresh new episode of Daily Fiber. And I know I've not been here for a while. For the past few days I've been on vacation. Then I was traveling for work purposes. But now I'm finally back, and I hope we'll carry on with the tradition of Daily Fiber. Like Daily Fiber should mean Daily Fiber and not Kabhi Kabhi Fiber. So with that, the first news, the first bit of today is the OnePlus 11 and the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. They have officially launched. But before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos, and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. So after much hype and anticipation, the OnePlus 11 along with the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 have officially launched in India. And to everyone's surprise, actually there's no surprise, these are amazing devices. So let's start with the OnePlus 11 first. So this year around, OnePlus has dropped the Pro moniker. They have kept it pretty straight. There's only one flagship phone to rule them all, and that is the OnePlus 11. Now, some of the key highlights of the smartphone include an E4 AMOLED display that refreshes at 120Hz. There's Quad HD Plus resolution. Then there's the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Under the hood, Hasselblad tuned rear cameras, front camera, 5000 mAh battery, 100-watt charging, and of course there's Oxygen OS 13, a top Android 13, and you're also getting 4 years of OS upgrades with the OnePlus 11. So that is great news. Now, in terms of pricing, the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant is priced at 56,999 rupees, and the 16GB RAM variant with 256GB storage, that one is priced at 61,999 rupees. Now, apart from this, the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 have also launched. I have reviewed the Obsidian black color, and they sound amazing. They have superb endurance, superb ANC. I'm pretty impressed, and those are priced at 11,999 rupees now. So, of course, if you want to know more about the OnePlus 11 and the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, you can check out our reviews. I hope by now, by the time this video goes live, those videos should be up, or even if they are not, then you can always wait for them. But yeah, to know more about the OnePlus 11 and OnePlus Buds Pro 2, definitely check out Fiber English and Fiber Hindi. We all know that the Nothing Phone 2 will eventually launch in 2023, and Kalpi has also said that Nothing will be prioritizing the US market initially. And whether the phone will come to India, we don't know as of now. But according to Mukul Sharma, he's quite active on Twitter. According to him, he's claiming that the Nothing Phone 2 will be coming to India, although we don't know when. Now, a separate report says that the Nothing Phone 2 will be launching in the third quarter of this year of 2023. But no exact launch date has been given yet. But what can we expect from the Nothing Phone 2? Well, rumors are suggesting that this year around, the Nothing Phone 2 will be a premium offering. So what can it be? Maybe a Snapdragon 8 Gen series processor, a larger battery, a refreshed design. See, they recently mocked Samsung, by the way, for their design, Samsung S23's design. So I'm really expecting that Nothing does come out with something really good, because the Nothing Phone 1 was a revolution. So Nothing Phone 2 we are all expecting in terms of design. But of course, once the phone nears the launch, we'll get to know more about it. But are you excited about a premium Nothing Phone 2? Let me know in the comments. Google has unveiled Bard, which is its chat GPT rival. It leverages the Lambda platform, Google's own language model. Now, you may ask, what is Bard exactly? Well, as I said, it's an AI-powered chatbot. It's supposed to answer many of your queries, just like how Chat GPT works. Now, according to Google's blog post, Bard draws on information from the web to provide fresh, high-quality responses. So how can you access Bard? Well, currently Google Bard is not available for testing to the public, but select users do have access. So beta testers are getting the taste of Google Bard as of now. But of course, we'll have to wait a little bit more for a wider consumer release. But what are your thoughts on Google Bard? Let me know in the comments. Tecno is busy making high-end phones these days. They recently launched the X2, then the X2 Pro came, and now they are gearing up to launch their foldable smartphone, Tecno Phantom V Fold, and this phone will be launching at MWC on February 28th in Barcelona, Spain. So what we know about the Tecno V Fold is that this one will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus processor, and according to Tecno, they are claiming that this processor is like well tuned for larger screens, and it also tackles the battery drain issue that you usually see with many other foldable smartphones. But apart from this, I don't have any other information regarding the specs and features of the Tecno Phantom V Fold. But from what I know, from what I can make out of the situation, Tecno is making some tall claims, and I'm really intrigued to see what does the V Fold has in store for everyone. So definitely very intrigued with the Tecno V Fold. If you're on the lookout for a flagship smartphone, then I would say then look no further than Amazon India. I'm not talking about Amazon India, but you'll have to visit Amazon India and check out the iQOO 11. Now, this smartphone currently starts at 59,999 rupees. But if you have an ICICI card or an SBI card, then you can bag a flat 5,000 rupees off, which makes the price of the iQOO 11 about 55,000 rupees. I think that's a great deal for a new flagship smartphone. But if you have an eligible smartphone to exchange, then you can get a further discount of up to 23,000 rupees. And for all that kind of money, I think so the iQOO 11 makes for a fantastic smartphone, good cameras, great gaming performance. FunTouch OS has all the features that you would want in a smartphone. And of course, if you want to know more about the iQOO 11, you can definitely check out our review. The videos are live on Fiber Hindi and Fiber English. With that, we have reached the end of this episode. So what are your thoughts on today's video? Let me know everything in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.